Congratulations on getting a performance bonus. Yes, we talking like this because we like FaceTime because I can't find my tripod, but baby, the show must go on. So you happy that you got the performance bonus. Kudos to you, high five. But now you like Facebook. You gave me the bonus, but you're not giving me the coins. But guess what? They gave us all the information that we need to get the coins, but we just not reading it. But we finna read it today. Come on, let's read what they talking about so we can get to this bag. So Facebook, we're trying to see something real quick. So according to you, there is no single formula, but there are practices that we can consider while we're doing the bonus. It says, in general, creators should focus on constantly producing original content that engages their followers. So we need to make sure that we're posting good quality content to engage our followers, and we also need it to be original. We got it good. Okay, come on, share some more information with us. We know that. Now it says, make original content to drive stronger earnings and get your content seen. What do you mean by that? Facebook, creators receive the greatest distribution of their content and payout from the performance bonus when they post content that is created by them. So it has to be your content. Original content contains your unique voice and demonstrates the unique perspective you bring to Facebook. Original content is distinctive, engaging, and what fans prefer. Creators won't receive strong payouts for unoriginal content or content they do not own themselves. So you will get paid, but you won't get paid as much if it was your original content. So basically, use your content because we want to get all our coins, not just half off. Now, let's see what else they want to share with us because we need all this. We need all this. Okay, it says focus on audience reach. Reach is defined as the number of people who saw your post at least once, and it has the most impact on your earnings. So basically, you need to focus on getting your content to more people. Get people to share, get people to like, get people to comment, share. Your money comes from your audience reach. And I have heard that lately. People say, oh, your likes and your comments. That's true. But that reach is what's going to get you the big bucks. So make sure your content is good, crystal clear. People can hear, people can see it, and people engaged in it. Ask yourself, would I watch this? If I were to scroll past this, would I go back to that, or would I keep on going? So ask yourself that when you're posting these videos, these reels, or whatever else you're doing. Now let's see what else they want to share with us. Come on, Facebook. Okay, it says produce meaningful content for your followers. Meaningful refers to fans spending more time viewing the post and or engaging with you in a lot of different ways by commenting, reacting, growing, and engaging your followers is a powerful level for driving reach. So you need to engage when someone comments on your post or your I can't get it out. When they comment back. Make sure they like everything. Engage with them. Keep the conversation going, but make sure you don't use curse words because they will block you for cuss words. If you want to put a cuss word, make sure you put little asterisks and dots and not the real thing because you will get restricted for that. Okay, let's see what else they have to say because they dropping gems, but we just haven't read it, but we reading it today. Okay, get recommended to potential new followers. One way to boost your following is to have your content included in recommendations. To be eligible for recommendations, listen up. Creators should make sure their content complies with our rules and regulations. Okay, so basically, you know how you go on Facebook and you see recommended stuff? That's because they following, not only because they following the rules, because we all following the rules because we in the program, so they have engaging content. They're getting followers. They're getting shares. They're doing all that good stuff. So make sure you do that. Okay, let's see what else they have to say. What you got? Post content consistently. The more consistently you publish content, the more chances there are for engagement with your content. The amount of content you post will vary depending on the amount of time you can devote to content creation. Aim for at least several posts per day and monitor the impact of what you posted. Okay, I didn't get to read all that. But basically it's saying you need to post more times than you have. If you have to go back and read it, you can. I got my slideshow going and she going. But you have to post several times a day. Now it's saying interact with your audience regularly. I just spoke on this. You need to make sure when they comment, you comment or heart, like it, whatever. Keep that post going. Keep it circulating. Keep it circulating. That's what you need to do, basically. Okay, so I want to go back briefly over this. It also states at the very bottom, it says, creators are most strongly rewarded in the performance bonus for content that draws strong reach and engagement from their followers and not other audiences such as groups. So at one point, it was good to put them in groups, and it's still good to put your stuff in groups. But what it's saying is they reward you with more money when it comes from your followers. It still will give you money if you post in groups, but you get the most out of it when it's coming from your own particular audience. So I just want to go back over that really quick because that's very important. So make sure that you try to get your audience to do the engaging. And also, I want to go back over this here at the bottom. It says you need to post consistently. It says, for example, if you're currently posting 1 or 2 times per day, try publishing 3 or 4 or more posts per day. That has an impact on your earnings as well. So make sure you post more than you currently are. It's supposed to be helping you out, and that's what we want, right? We want that. So this is just what we went over again. My slideshow was going fast, so I said, let me bag it up, Cian, bag it up. But basically, guys, you need to post on your page for your followers. You need to engage with your audience. You need to have good content, not just posting anything. Make sure it's something to keep people intrigued and want to come back and want to look at your content. Original content wins all. It's okay to use memes. You can use memes, but you won't get paid as much for using memes. That's what they said. So I'm listening to them. You know, on one of my past videos, I was like, use memes. You can use memes, but Facebook said that self. We're not going to pay you like that. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Oh. I forgot to add. Also with the memes, add a little something to it. Like this right here. This is off Google. And I just added what you see here. The laughing emoji and the phone. Just to make it mine. And if you also want to make it yours a little bit more, add your name. I should have added my name to mine. I slacked on that. But hey, it's a learning process for all of us, and we still don't know how much we get per like, comment, share. We don't know all that. All we know is at this point, we need to post original content and get the job done. You can still post in groups, but you're not going to make as much. You're not going to make as much if you post in groups. You're not going to make as much for using unoriginal content. And you also can stand a chance on getting restricted from unoriginal content. So try to stick to your content. But if you have to do those memes, add your little name on there and put your own little touch to it. Put your own little touch so we don't have time. Now, we didn't work too hard to get the performance bonus for us to lose it. And we don't know if we're going to get it back when we lose it. We don't know if it's like the other programs they have. I don't know about all that yet. So let's just try to do what they want us to do. They gave us the best practices. It's just that we weren't trying to read that because what we just see we can get $30,000 and we just do what we've been posting. We've been posting, but there's rules to it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Cian is out.